Navigating the complexities of VA disability compensation can be a daunting task. Veterans often find themselves facing denials or receiving disability ratings that they believe do not accurately reflect the severity of their service-connected conditions. Fortunately, the VA provides a mechanism for veterans to appeal unfavorable decisions through a process known as higher-level review. A higher-level review is essentially a request for a fresh pair of eyes to re-examine your claim. It is an opportunity for a senior VA claims processor known as a decision review officer to review your file, considering all previously submitted evidence and any new documentation you provide. The decision review officer will then issue a new decision based on their independent assessment of your claim. This review process is not about simply resubmitting the same arguments you made before. Instead, it is a chance to present a more comprehensive and compelling case, highlighting any errors in the initial decision and providing new and relevant evidence to support your claim. The goal is to demonstrate to the decision review officer why your claim warrants a more favorable outcome. Whether you are seeking an increase in your disability rating, service connection for a previously denied condition, or any other change to your benefits, understanding the higher-level review process is crucial for effectively advocating for your rights as a veteran. Remember, you have served your country, and you deserve to receive the full benefits you are entitled to under the law. Determining your right to a higher-level review. Before you embark on the higher-level review process, it is essential to determine your eligibility. Not all VA decisions are eligible for this type of review. The VA has specific criteria that must be met before a higher-level review can be granted. Generally, you are eligible for a higher-level review if you have received a decision on your VA disability compensation claim that you disagree with, and you have not already filed an appeal to the Board of Veterans' Appeals. This includes denials of service connection, unfavorable disability ratings, and other decisions that impact your benefits. It is important to note that there is a one-year time limit from the date of your original decision to request a higher-level review. If you miss this deadline, you may lose your right to this level of appeal. Therefore, it is crucial to act promptly if you believe your claim warrants further review. If you are unsure about your eligibility or have questions about the higher-level review process, it is highly recommended that you seek assistance from a veteran service officer or an accredited attorney. These professionals can help you understand your rights, gather necessary documentation, and guide you through the appeals process. Taking action, a step-by-step guide to filing your request. Once you have determined your eligibility for a higher-level review, it is time to take action and formally initiate the process. Filing a request is a straightforward procedure, but it is essential to follow the correct steps to ensure your request is properly submitted and processed. The first step is to complete VA Form 20995, Decision Review Request, Higher Level Review. This form is available for download on the VA website or can be obtained from your local VA regional office. The form requires you to provide basic information about yourself, your claim, and the specific issues you are appealing. Next, you will need to gather any new and relevant evidence you wish to submit in support of your claim. This may include medical records, treatment notes, buddy statements, or any other documentation that strengthens your case. Organize your evidence logically and clearly label each document. Once you have completed the form and compiled your evidence, you have several options for submitting your request. You can mail your completed form and supporting documentation to the VA regional office that issued the original decision. Alternatively, you can submit your request online through the VA's website or in person at your local regional office. After submitting your request, it is crucial to keep a copy of everything for your records. This includes the completed form, all supporting evidence, and any correspondence with the VA regarding your claim. This will help you stay organized and track the progress of your appeal. The wheels in motion. What happens after you file for a higher-level review? After you have filed your request for a higher-level review, the VA will begin processing your case. The process involves several stages, each designed to ensure a thorough and fair review of your claim. The first stage typically involves a review of your file by a decision support specialist. This individual will examine your original claim, the reasons for the previous decision, and any new evidence you have submitted. They may also request additional information or clarification from you or your healthcare providers. If the decision support specialist identifies any potential errors or inconsistencies in the original decision, they may return your file to the original adjudicator for reconsideration. This is known as a remand. If the original adjudicator agrees with the decision support specialist's findings, they may revise the initial decision in your favor without the need for a full higher-level review. If the decision support specialist determines that your case warrants further review, it will be assigned to a decision review officer. The decision review officer is a senior claims processor with specialized training and experience in reviewing complex or disputed claims. They will conduct an independent review of your entire file, including all evidence and arguments presented. The decision review officer may also choose to schedule an informal conference with you to discuss your claim in more detail. This conference provides an opportunity for you to clarify any issues, present additional evidence, and directly address any concerns the decision review officer may have. Section 5. A chance to be heard. The role of informal conferences in your claim. While not mandatory, informal conferences play a crucial role in the higher-level review process. They provide a valuable opportunity for veterans to engage directly with the decision review officer handling their case, fostering open communication and a deeper understanding of the issues at hand. During an informal conference, you can expect the DRO to review your file, discuss the strengths and weaknesses of your claim, and ask clarifying questions. This is your chance to provide context for your medical evidence, explain the impact of your service-connected conditions on your daily life, and address any inconsistencies or concerns the DRO may have identified in your file. You are not required to have legal representation at an informal conference, but it can be highly beneficial to have an advocate by your side. An experienced veteran service officer or attorney can help you prepare for the conference, present your case effectively, and ensure your rights are protected throughout the process. It's important to remember that an informal conference is not a hearing or a trial. It is an informal discussion aimed at reaching a fair and accurate decision on your claim. Maintaining a respectful and cooperative demeanor throughout the conference can go a long way in facilitating a productive dialogue with the DRO. If the DRO requires additional information or evidence to make a decision after the informal conference, they will provide you with specific instructions on what is needed and how to submit it. Be sure to respond promptly to any requests for information to avoid delays in your case. Section 6. Time and patience. Navigating the expected timeline for a decision. The higher-level review process, like many VA processes, can be time-consuming. While you anxiously await a decision, it is important to understand the typical timeline and practice patience throughout the process. The VA strives to complete higher-level reviews as quickly as possible, but the complexity of the case and the workload of the reviewers can influence the time frame. On average, you can expect the higher-level review process to take several months to complete. However, it is not uncommon for the process to take longer, especially if your case involves complex medical conditions or requires additional development. Factors such as the availability of medical records, the need for expert opinions, or the scheduling of informal conferences can all contribute to delays. Throughout the waiting period, it is essential to remain patient and persistent. Regularly checking the status of your claim online or contacting the VA for updates can help you stay informed and manage your expectations. However, avoid overwhelming the VA with inquiries, as this can potentially slow down the process. If you experience significant delays or encounter challenges during the higher-level review process, seek assistance from your VSO or an accredited attorney. They can help navigate the VA bureaucracy, advocate on your behalf, and ensure your rights are protected. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Section 7. Seeking assistance, resources, and support for your higher-level review journey. Navigating the complexities of the VA higher-level review process can often feel overwhelming. Fortunately, a wealth of resources and support systems are available to assist veterans throughout their journey, providing guidance, advocacy, and a sense of camaraderie during challenging times. One of the most valuable resources available to veterans is the assistance of a veteran service officer. VSOs are trained professionals who work for veterans organizations or local government agencies, providing free assistance with VA claims and appeals. They can help you gather evidence, complete forms, and understand your rights throughout the higher-level review process. Accredited attorneys specializing in veterans law are another invaluable resource. These legal professionals possess in-depth knowledge of VA regulations and procedures and can provide expert guidance and representation throughout the appeals process. They can help you build a strong case, present your arguments effectively, and navigate any legal complexities that may arise. Support groups and online forums dedicated to veterans can also provide a sense of community and understanding during the higher-level review process. Connecting with others who have gone through similar experiences can offer emotional support, practical advice, and shared insights into navigating the VA system. Remember, you are not alone in this journey. Reaching out for assistance from trusted sources such as VSOs, attorneys, support groups, and online forums can provide invaluable support, guidance, and advocacy as you navigate the higher-level review process and fight for the benefits you deserve. Section 8. Holding on to hope. The importance of persistence in your VA claim. The VA higher-level review process can be a long and arduous journey, often testing your patience and resolve. However, it is crucial to remember that persistence is key to achieving a favorable outcome in your VA disability claim. Do not be discouraged by initial setbacks or delays. Throughout the process, it is essential to maintain meticulous records of all correspondence, documentation, and interactions with the VA. This includes copies of your claim forms, medical records, supporting evidence, and any communication with VA representatives. Organized records will prove invaluable if you need to provide additional information or appeal further decisions. If your higher-level review is denied or you believe the decision is unfair, do not give up. You have the right to appeal the decision to the Board of Veterans' Appeals, where your case will be reviewed by a veterans law judge. This next level of appeal offers another opportunity to present your case and fight for the benefits you deserve. Remember, the VA disability compensation system is designed to provide financial and medical support to veterans who have suffered service-connected injuries or illnesses. While the process may seem daunting, it is essential to remember that you have earned these benefits through your service and sacrifice. By staying informed, seeking assistance when needed, and maintaining unwavering persistence, you can navigate the higher-level review process and increase your chances of securing the benefits you have rightfully earned. Your health and well-being are worth fighting for, and the VA benefits system is in place to support you on your road to recovery.